guys, what's up? This is Riya and welcome back. So this is kind of an informative video and I'm going to be sharing with you 5 skincare products that you need to stop buying, absolutely stop buying in 2020 and even after that. So this is sort of a very different video from the usuals that I do, and recently I was shopping for some skincare online and I just did not find myself reaching out for these certain skincare products, and that is why I decided to make a video on it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly dive into the video. So the first skincare product on my list that you absolutely need to stop buying is an expensive face wash or an expensive body wash. The basic job of a face wash or a body wash is to remove dirt, bacteria, sweat and makeup from your face and your body. There are hundreds and thousands of face washes and body washes in the market for all skin types like oily skin, acne prone skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, combination skin and every skin type. And supposedly if these products do not suit your skin, then there are also some dermat recommended face washes and body washes in the market which retail below rupees 500. So I don't know why people would invest any penny more than 500 on face washes and body washes when their basic job is to just cleanse your skin, and most of the face washes and body washes do their job perfectly. So all you need to do is find out the right face wash or the right body wash for your skin type and then continue using it. That is pretty much it. You don't have to spend a lot of money on these face washes or body washes because all you're doing is wasting money when the cheaper ones also do the same job. The second non-required skincare product on my list is an expensive sunscreen. I don't know why people go for expensive sunscreens. Again, the basic job of a sunscreen is to protect your skin from the sun. And yes, you can look at the UVA and UVB protection. You can look at the matteness or the hydration level of the sunscreen and the amount of SPF in the sunscreen, which anywhere between 30 and 50 is fine. You do not, I repeat, you do not need an expensive sunscreen just because it smells or feels nice or for its expensive luxurious packaging. An expensive sunscreen does not mean more protection or better protection. It just means that you're wasting your money on a product that you don't have much knowledge about, that you don't know how basically it works, and you're just putting in that extra money for the smell, the packaging or for the feel of the sunscreen. Then trust me, you're just wasting your money. Only if a sunscreen provides you more than UVA and UVB protection, that is, it gives your skin indoor protection as well, that is protection from the infrared radiations, only then should you be investing a little more money into your sunscreen. The third skincare item on my list is again a sunscreen, and here I'm talking about a high SPF sunscreen. Now if you feel that a sunscreen with SPF 100 gives you double the protection than a sunscreen with SPF 50, then girl, you are wrong. I have a few facts here which I got from a lot of research, and in reality SPF 15 blocks 93% of sun damage, SPF 30 blocks about 95% of sun damage, SPF 50 blocks 97% of sun damage, and SPF 100 blocks 99% of sun damage. So what is the major difference between 97% and 99%? If you use SPF 50 or if you use SPF 100, there isn't really a major difference, and you can, stick to SPF 50 rather than using SPF 100, because then again people who use higher SPF sunscreens tend to stay in the sun for a longer time, and that is wrong again, because you need to reapply your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. No matter what the SPF amount, no matter how much sunscreen you apply, you need to reapply it every 2 to 3 hours because the effect of the sunscreen wears off after that time. And then again, a myth that people have in mind is that SPF 30 gives you 300 minutes of sun protection, SPF 50 gives you 500 minutes of sun protection. Well, that is the most ridiculous thing ever. It doesn't work that way. It just gives you more or less sun protection. It doesn't extend your sun protection for a longer duration. So to conclude, a broad spectrum sunscreen, that is if your sunscreen provides you with both UVA and UVB protection with anywhere between SPF 30 to 50, is good enough for everyone out there. And make sure that you reapply it every 2 to 3 hours. And if you're wearing makeup on top of it, then you can reapply it by making a DIY sunscreen spray at home, which I have made a video on, and I will leave it linked in the bottom bar for you all to check out. The fourth product on my list is an expensive neck cream. A lot of companies market their products as a special neck cream that's going to do wonders for your neck and that's going to provide so much more to your neck. Well, all that is false. Your neck requires the exact same thing that the skin on your face requires. So if you moisturize your face, you need to moisturize your neck as well using the exact same product. And you do not need any special products for that. You just want to use the same products that you use for your face. So if you're using a cleanser, exfoliator, a moisturizer or a sunscreen on your face, then make sure to apply all of that on your neck as well. And then again, when it comes to makeup, make sure that you apply your foundation not just on your face but also on your neck to make it all match. So overall, to conclude, you need the exact same products for your neck that you use on your face, and most of us kind of forget skincare for your neck, and I don't understand why, because it only takes a few more seconds to slather some product onto your neck. So make sure you use the same products that you use for your face for your neck, and do not invest into these expensive neck creams and expensive neck washes and I don't know what all is available in the market. Just make sure you skip all of that and use the exact same thing that you use for your face. And finally, the last worthless skincare product on my list is an expensive face mist. Now, face mists can be really refreshing during the summers, or when you're sweating or when your skin is feeling a little dull. It instantly refreshes you and makes you feel all fresh and active and all of that. You don't need to splurge big bucks on those expensive face mists and fancy bottles. Just regular rose water or aloe vera water will do the job for you. Or you can even DIY a face mist at home. You can check out a lot of videos on YouTube to do that. You can DIY it with some cucumber water, with some aloe vera water, and you can store the spray bottle into a refrigerator and then spray it all over your face whenever you feel the need for it. And you can use it for about 2 to 3 days and then prepare a fresh new batch again. So chuck those expensive face mists and just prepare a DIY face mist at home, or use some rose water and you will be good to go. So yes, that was my video on 5 ridiculous skincare products that you need to stop buying in 2020. I hope this video was helpful for you all, and I hope you stop buying all of these products, because all you're doing is wasting your money when there are cheaper alternatives or DIY options available for you. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also do let me know if you want to see more such content in the future. I would love to make more such videos for y'all. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do it right away, and also follow me on Instagram, where I post a lot of IGTV videos. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. This is Riya signing off. Goodbye.